Familywall is a family organization app designed to help families stay connected and organized. So, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick review and a tutorial for Family App review. So, Familywall is irate for its friendly interface and comprehensive features. It offers a shared family calendar, shopping list, to-do list, a family locator, secure messages, and a family gallery. The app is available on phone, tablet, and website. You can also make it accessible to all family members. While most features are free, some premium features require a subscription. And this is a short review about the Familywall website, which is also available on mobile app and also tablet as well. So here are the quick tutorial to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is download and install. Once you download and install, get the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up with your email or social media account, then add the family member by inviting them by email or phone number. Create events and appointments that everyone can see. You can color code events for different family members. You can also make shopping list, to-do list, and chorus checklist. Assign tasks for specific family member. You can also use the family locator to see where your family members are in real time. You can also communicate with your family through the app secure messaging features. You can also upload and share photos and videos in the family gallery, and you can also add more details or more guides for checklist. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more.